So, Mark, why don't you can you give me a quick summary of John Marshall Bank and what makes you guys special in this market and you know, your background?
All right, I'll be happy to. I'm a little nervous because of this auspicious moment here with the rollout of FNCC here, but John Marshall Bank is a community and regional bank headquartered here in the metropolitan Washington area, and among many things that we do, we focus on government contractors and IT firms, and it's those associations that have drawn me to Federal National Payables for the better part of 15 years. John Marshall has a long list of government contracting clients, and sometimes we're in partnership with Federal National, where they come in to us for financing, or we handle their non-financing needs while they're with Federal National. And I've had the pleasure of knowing you and Quasi for a long, long time, as have many of my colleagues in senior management and our advisory boards and our board of directors.
Well, certainly, from our perspective, there are not a lot of bankers in the market that know more about this business than you do. What is it that you think makes you want to do business with Federal National? Why are we?
Well, you know, I have I think the distinct privilege and honor of having known you guys back from the early days. Personally, back in the 90s is when I first met Joe, and he was running the show, and he introduced me to this young maverick he had on board called Quasi Rogers. And Joe and Quasi and I and the colleagues at FNP,
we both had more hair in those
we did, and we did a lot of good things for a lot of companies, and we worked together very well. So that just perpetuated, and the more people I knew, the more people I realized were doing the same types of back and forth business with your company.
Could you speak to a little more on that relationship, maybe about the tagline that Federal National uses, service, value, and trust? You know, it sounds like your relationship is a trusting relationship, and maybe you could elaborate on that.
Yeah, I mean, does that tagline, you know, what do you think of that tagline? Does it ring true? Does it sound bogus? I mean, you know, what do you think of service, value, and trust as a tagline?
Let me lock in on the trust part first. You know, lending money to rapidly growth-oriented businesses is a challenging thing for all of us, whether you're a banker or a finance company, leasing company, or what have you. You all have maintained the highest level of integrity and honor and honesty for many, many years, and it's never been breached in my observation. And that makes it easy for me to be an outspoken advocate of the firm and to recommend clients and friends who are principals of companies that are in situations and circumstances and opportunities where your company is the best solution for them. And the service and the value, those are true as well. It's not all about the price that it costs per se. It's about the comprehensive solution that's provided, whether it's banking, whether it's non-banking credit solutions. And you guys have just done an outstanding job.
Thank you, Mark. That's amazing. I think you feel the same way about you. We've known you across a few careers now.
Well, what was very fun for me, yes, we have known each other across a number of careers, investment banking, commercial banking, different banks. Some of the bankers that I met in the room tonight were all laughing and having a good time about many positive memories we each have had about you all and your company. But what was heartening for me at John Marshall Bank was so many of my colleagues, they also, from their previous experience, have similar associations with FNCC and the people that run it. lots of good success stories and no bad stories, and so when I merged in with my company 4 years ago as the Chief Lending Officer, I was heartened to find that one thing we all had in common was we loved Federal National and what you do with your clients and how we can work together, and that has not changed, and we're very grateful for the positive business relationship that we have. We love the future of the company. Things that have happened in the last year we think are outstanding, and we're all in. So thank you very much for everything you've done, and we're looking forward to 2012 with FNCC.
Thank you. Thank you.